DJI Mimo. Phone unbalanced and may vibrate when shooting. Adjust phone until center of gravity. So it's picking up the extra weight from this and giving you a little warning here. But I walked around the yard and it's working great. So of course this is with a case, which adds a little bit of weight, and with this dongle here adds a little bit of weight, but I saw pretty smooth. Now we are in the so we only got 1080p in the selfie mode, but let me go back to the the rear facing camera, and you will see that we have 4K 30 again. There it is, guys. I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro, but it is 4K 30. 4K 30 came back when Samsung did an upgrade through my T-Mobile account yesterday, and it said there was some camera upgrade, and the 4K selection is back, and now we are able to do 4K 30 back on the Mimo app. So we are back in the game here. So let me switch that to 4K 30, and we are on 4K 30. We go back like that, and let me turn on hand gestures. Okay, follow and choose gesture to control the shoot only. The shoot while gimbal automatically follows the user. Turn that on, and let me turn this microphone around. It's real easy to do. Just like that. So let me turn this around and see if it'll pick me up. Okay, let's see. There it is. See the three flashes? Now in follow me mode, and it is in following me in 4K. See the follow, guys? 4K 30. 4K 30 is back online. I'm sure glad that Samsung picked that up and listened to whatever the viewers were saying, and hopefully my channel helped out a little bit with that, because like a lot of my viewers have said, nobody else is talking about it. There you have it, guys. 4K 30 is back on the Mimo app on the Note 20 Ultra. Even though the Note 20 Ultra has never been listed as a compatible phone, which I don't know why, but you can see that the 4K 30 in the tracking mode is there, guys. It is there. So I'm happy to report 4K 30 is back at you. I'm sure you guys will like that. And I think you might like this little bracket from Amazon for your video needs. You got to give up a little bit to get a little bit, and that always seems to be that way. You're going to give up some grip, but you can manage. It's totally manageable. So we're also editing on my wife's new MacBook Pro, the 13-inch version, and I'm liking how this video is,
check the audio
how it's handling this video. The scrub rate is really good. I really like how it handles it. It takes a while to render it. It's nothing super. I don't know, you know, the guys that everybody is saying that it's so great. It does the job, and it does the job well. Battery life is good, but when you're working it with video, I've already brought it down from 100% to 67%, probably in less than an hour. So, well, maybe it's been here an hour. Maybe an hour. So we're looking at 67% battery life. So when you're pushing it, of course it's running an external SSD drive right now, so it's powering up the external SSD. I also had to copy some files from my GoPro and some files from my Note 20 Ultra. So for portability, I think it's great. I like the size, the form factor. I know next year they're going to change, you know, probably to a different design, but I don't think the design is critical. I mean, I really like this design. It's sleek. I wouldn't pay the extra $300 for the Pro for the Pro over the Air, but I was able to get 20% off because this was an open box unit. So for me, the Pro, I think the extra quality on the speakers for Zoom calls from my wife and us, and I think that the extra battery size for me is a critical upgrade. But for the price, this is a 512 gig version, so for the price over the Air, it was a no-brainer for me. It just took a little bit of time on if you've followed any of my other videos, it took a little bit of time with Apple engineers just to get it to work, because once people log in and make it their unit, there was some sort of glitch in there that wouldn't, even though it was reset, it wouldn't let me reset it. It wouldn't accept my password. So there you have it, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.